What is going on? My name's Sunshine, and what I have right here is the Touch Tall 55 buckle boot from ECCO. This trendy little boot features a nice soft nubuck leather upper with a decorative buckle at the ankle. There is a full-length zipper closure along this side as well as on the insteps, that way you can have super easy on and off. Not only that, but there is some goring right here, so you'll have that added stretch. And then on the inside, there's a really great textile lining. It's soft to the touch and it's gonna feel great against the skin. Now, as you may notice, this boot also has an absolutely amazing stacked block heel, so you're gonna have a great boost in height and confidence throughout the day as you strut your stuff. And this is all on a durable, direct injected 2-component PU TPU outsole. Get ready to strut your stuff with this closet must-have this season with ECCO.